How to cancel pending payment on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can cancel the pending payment on Google Play Store. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. And before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing is you need to open up your Play Store. And here, if you have purchased any of the apps that needs payment, what you can do is simply go to your profile at the top right, and here you can see this payments and subscriptions. Simply tap on it, and if you have any subscriptions or payment pending here, you will be able to see it here. So if you have subscribed into any of the apps that needs payment, it will be here. So what you're gonna do is simply click on that app, and here after that, just go on with the process of canceling. You'll be able to see that cancel process. After that, you need to give reason like why you want to delete your subscription. Just go on with the process. After that, you need to go on with the verification process by entering your password and all. And just like that, you should be able to cancel your pending payments on Google Play. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.